If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha! Yeah! What's good, PV gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, aka Rope God.
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah! How you like that intro? That's cool. I did both of them. You're asking where Rope God at, man. I did the intro for y'all. Anyways, man, I know it's been like a couple of days or whatever, man, on uploads, but you know, I've been brainstorming a couple of things, you feel me? I noticed you guys want to, y'all been missing the reactions, man. So guess what? The Reaction King is back. The originator of the reactions is back, man. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna talk too much about that. Anyways, man, yeah, bro. I mean, I'm excited to start doing back reactions, bro. So what we gonna do today? But before we get into that, man, you already know what you gotta do, man. You gotta go to poppyblasted.com. Go ahead and get your Go Drip Skin Butter, man. Whew. Hey, go get your hair. Go get your hair care, man. It's all there, man. Go get your hair care, your skin care, cause it's all there. poppyblasted.com. Also, make sure you guys go to my, you know what I mean? Y'all go to my TikTok, bro. Hey, TikTok right there. Y'all see it, man. I just made one. It's almost been a month now. I just started it. I've been going crazy on there, bro. It's actually fun, man. It's actually it's like a competition, man. You know what I'm saying? I see everybody else doing shit. I'm like, man, I gotta stay on my shit. Y'all keep me on my shit, bro. Y'all keep me on my shit. So I've been back on my shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do it all, you feel me? So we back on our reaction tip. Make sure if you're new tuning into the channel to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you will not miss out on none of the shit we drop, bro. Cause we gonna keep dropping bangers. We back on our reaction tip. This video right here, man, is pretty much doing a video where we're gonna react to, you know, the top TikTok waivers, you feel me? So we about to go on TikTok right now, which we on TikTok right now. And we about to go see, man, who dripping. We gonna see who dripping, man. I'm gonna rate them. So we rating the top. We rating the top TikTok, the top TikTok waivers. God damn, that's a hella tongue twister. We gonna go rate the top TikTok waivers. Whew. 1 to 10, y'all know how we do it, man. Rate that waiver, let's get it. Also, PB gang, these do-rags, you know, we got a lot of color rays, man, but the flawless silky do-rags, man. PeopleToGoMerch.com, man. These do-rags right here, this is one colorway of many that will be dropping on the 12th of this month. And that's on a Friday, so y'all stay locked, keep it locked for that. That shit gonna be crazy. That drop is crazy, man. A lot of you guys already asking, when is it gonna drop? When is it gonna drop? It's gonna drop on the 12th, so y'all stay tuned for that. And I will be doing a full review on it, you know that. Anyways, man, we on TikTok right now. Y'all see my TikTok? Go follow me on TikTok. So we about to go on. I don't know, I just put in 360 waves. Wave Central came up. I just actually followed them too as well. They look like they got some, you know, some pretty drippy waivers on here. So we about to, you know, react to these waivers on here and see what's happening, man. So I'm just gonna go to each one and we gonna react to it together. Let's get it, man. I'm about to rate their ass, man. Let's go. Y'all know how I go. Leave me alone. Okay. Oh, that lineup is, we can't get no copyrights, y'all know that. That lineup is crispy as hell though, for sure. That lineup is crispy as hell. Who this barber? But y'all know, man. Just from this angle right here, you see, y'all see them forks, man. Y'all see them forks, bro. Y'all know, man, I rate hard. You feel me? So we gonna keep it going though. We gonna keep it going. Alright, you see it? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, I mean, shit. It look like he ain't been waving for a while anyways, you feel me? But he probably ain't using that mirror. Use that mirror, bro. Anyways, man, from what I see right here. See? Oh, you got a design in the back too right there. I see major forks. But anyways, the overall cut, you know what I'm saying? The ball taper, you feel me? The whole get out, man, just from looking at it, I give this a 6 because I see too many forks, you know what I mean? Y'all know, and waving, bro, forks, man, that matters, you feel me? If you got a lot of forks, you gonna automatically get a low rating, you feel me? What makes your wave stand out is having less forks. You know what I'm saying? Have flawless waves. That's how you get the flawless waves. That's how you become an elite waver, having less forks. It's not that hard to break forks, but it does take time. So this one right here, I give this a 6. So what we got next, man? Let's go. What we got next, man? We're gonna go What it says right here. These niggas trying to give me some. They're trying to give me a copyright. Okay, though, I see.
Royalty over royalty. Y'all niggas know the vibes.
Okay.
Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese. I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this.
I'm saying that right there, I get out of 7. I get out of 7. I don't really see too many forks, but he not turning over to the left yet. I just see the right side. But right there, I feel like that's a 7. Yeah, he didn't show the other side, but he is dipping. You know what I'm saying? That crown look real good too as well. So with that being said, that nigga get a 7. He getting a 7. Keep up the good work, bro. You getting that breath session in right now too. So that's what's up. I give you a 7, bro. Alright, so he woofing. My guy woofing. About to wash in style? Okay. Now I know with that washing style, man, you know that first wash, it's not gonna be, you're not gonna get that much lather that you want. You gotta wash your hair twice. That second wash is always the good one. The second wash is always the one you get the most lather in. The first one is gonna be it's called a pre-wash. Second one, that's when you're gonna get all that lather for sure. And that's what you want, see? Then you have a mohawk. And right now what he's doing is he's scramble washing. Scramble washing is pretty much, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know when I rate too, I give tips as well. I like to help too. I don't just like to rate and then just like, you know what I'm saying, dog. I'm like, I'm rating you, you feel me? But I can't do nothing to help you, you feel me? I'm gonna tell you what I feel like you need to do and what you need to work on. So you don't get help as well as when you get ready. But right now, it look like you doing this shit though. Using that organics. I put a lot of niggas on to organics. Y'all know that purple bottle though, that biotin? Yeah, you know, nigga. Y'all know. Okay. Put that rag on. I mean, he got 2 rags on for sure. He trying to get that double compression, I feel it. So he got 2 rags on. See, when I used to rate before though, bro, I didn't used to rate videos like that. It was just like pictures. But now, you know, TikTok is all videos, so, and it's gonna be a lot of videos, so I gotta keep pausing this shit so I could, you know, I can't be getting no copyrights or no yellow marks, you feel me? Keep it way 100 with y'all. Come on, bro. Let's see the progress, man. Let's see the progress. It was frizzy. It was still frizzy after that. I guarantee you he didn't wait for his hair to dry all the way. I promise you. I know he didn't wait. His hair was probably still wet when he unragged. You can't fuck up and do that, bro. You gotta make sure that you unrag. Don't unrag until your hair is all the way dry. Don't unrag until that do-rag is all the way dry. To be honest, nowadays I've been under the I be getting under the heater, like under the heater. Under the, what is it called? The blow dryer. For real, I've been blow drying my hair to dry it faster. That shit works too, but that's why I was frizzy like that. There ain't no way your hair should be frizzy after washing style. And those are great shampoos too, as well. So, anyways, man, I get out of 5, bro. We gonna get out of 5. So, that's what that is. So, let's see. Okay, wave check. Let's go. Ooh. Okay. And what I see right there, that's a 6. We get out of 6, man, you know. Watch that and run that back. Yeah, that's a 6, man. That's some great shine right there, though. You see forks. Not too many. Crown kind of out of place or whatever. I guarantee you he probably fresh out of washing style right there. I guarantee you. I guarantee you. Let's burn this over a little bit. Yeah. Alright, so next is another wave check. Wave check. Let's get it. Music be loud, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it be irritating me when I see that you got a silky on top of that stocking cap. The silky is always better. Put that silky on first. For one, first, you're not gonna have that line that it gives you when you have that damn stocking cap. It gives you a deep ass line. You don't want to do that, okay? For two, the silky on your head, the silky on your wave is gonna make it lay down better than that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what type of material it is. It's just stocking, I guess. I don't know. But you'll see, man. It probably ain't gonna be that laid like that. You'll fool me if it is. See it's frizz. See that frizz? But it's kind of laid though. It's kind of laid though. It's kind of laid. It's pretty laid though. Pretty laid though. Yeah, he dripping actually. Yeah. All right. Well, we gonna get that a 7. It's nice. It's nice. His hair is short too, so he not really woofing. But it's nice though. Great depth and all that. So we gonna get that a 7. Get that a 7. 7. Alright, so next up, let's see what she doing. Let's see what she doing.
Money green, shakes to the flow. Run away, ready like whoa. G-H-E-T-T-O. I tickle my ends on the glow. Come get.
That had to be a lot of work to put all that different type of dye in your hair like that. That's crazy. It's like, it's dope though, but you can't really see your waves. That's the thing about dyeing your hair like a lot of different colors. You can't see the waves. You take away the definition. So I gotta get out of 3. I ain't gonna cap. I'm gonna get out of 3, man. So let's see what's happening with this. Okay. Youngin, look at this. Y'all say youngin? Is that a youngin right there? Okay. The crown look good. Yeah. Crown look good. Right side looking solid. We gonna get this a. We gotta get out of 6. Gotta get out of 6. Bro got quite a bit of forks, but he is a youngin, so shout out to my youngins, man. I got youngins, you feel me? I got kids, so it's definitely dope to see, we motivating them to, to try to get some waves and keep them out the streets, bro. Waving is serious, man. Y'all don't know, man. We take this shit serious, you feel me? Like we keeping the kids out the streets and all that. They really like looking up to us, so yeah, that's dope. You know what I mean? What's this? Oh, this is like a battle. It's a battle, huh? Okay. Who y'all think won this battle? Whirlpool Ken or Corsair Kings? Just from the angles and everything, what I see? We got this here, Corsair Waver and Whirlpool Ken look like he kind of a medium hair texture. Well, it looked like his shit coarse too, but he just healthy. His shit just healthy. It looked like, when your hair get real healthy of a Corsair Waver, it looked like it turned medium type shit. That is so healthy. Yeah. I don't know. That's a tough battle right there. I ain't gonna lie, man. But I give it to Whirlpool Ken. What y'all think, bro? Whirlpool Ken, I think him. Yeah, he got him. But Corsair King, you know what I'm saying? Corsair King, bro, he doing his shit though. But I give Whirlpool Ken a 7 right now. 7. You know what I'm saying? I give Corsair King a 6. So they right there, neck and neck. Alright. Oh, do you see what I see? Uh-oh. That JMD, is that my guy? Is that the Goat Drip Ambassador? No cap, man. I can't even just say that because he's my ambassador, man. This really my little brother. You know what I'm saying? From the soil, though. It's my little brother right here. Bro doing this thing, man. Literally, he family. Drip family. Keep doing your shit, JMD. I see you, bro. We waiting for that YouTube channel to come out. But crazy, man. This is a 10, man. This a 10 or what? What you think? This is a 10, bro. Immortal JMD, if y'all want to follow him on Instagram. Anyways, man, so that's it, man. That's it. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make these short. I don't want to take too much of y'all time. I'm trying to keep these videos short and straight to the point. You know what I'm saying? We back doing reactions. But If y'all want me to start doing Rate That Waiver, if y'all want me to bring Rate That Waiver back, let me know. You feel me? That's what I'm here for. I'm here to give y'all what y'all want. Y'all already know that's what I'm here for. I ain't doing this shit for nothing. You know what I'm saying? I got a whole full-blown business and I'm doing these videos for y'all. But I figure why not bring this shit back, because I see that's what's in right now. Everybody, you know, everybody doing the reaction shit. I guess I put a lot of people. Everybody trying to just do what's trending right now. And right now that's what's trending. Reactions. You know, rating. You know what I'm saying? Shit like that. But I know I had a lot to do with that, because I used to do this shit like years ago. Y'all already know PB Gang from the soil. Y'all already know PB Gang. 4 years ago, I used to been doing this shit for a while. But you know, it's definitely a blessing to be able to motivate people to do this shit now, and it's trending right now. You feel me? So that's what's up. But yeah. What y'all think about the ratings? If you guys want me to bring Rate That Waiver back, let me know, PB Gang. Y'all know I got y'all, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. Make sure y'all smash the like button. Make sure y'all comment below. Let me know y'all here, because yes, y'all know I'll comment back. We chop it up. If we bring a Rate That Waiver back, are we? Let me know, man. I'm gonna let you guys know how to join and all that shit, man. So let me know. Alright, with that being said, man, go to pptogomerch.com. Go ahead and get your drip, go get your hair care, because it's all there, man. Y'all already know, y'all see it, man. It's all here, you feel me? Everything. Y'all want to drip right? Hey, go to the website. Oh, you want to drip right? Go to the website. Alright, pptogomerch.com. Also, make sure y'all follow me on TikTok at poppyblasted. Alright? If you're new tuning into the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you will not miss out on none of the videos that we drop. Alright? PB Gang, let's get it. I'm out of here, man. If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha! Damn. Yeah. Stay woke.
Keep the brush in my hand with the product in the can. I'ma keep on spinning. Keep the brush in my hand with the product in the can. I'ma keep on spinning.